Hey everyone, we just made a big purchase here for us. We have not bought any cards on Facebook Marketplace, but we decided let's go for it. The boys have been selling cards a lot lately, and they've been selling their own personal collection. So now we decided it's time to invest in some more cards, and that's what we did. So we made our first big purchase here. Let us know in the comments below, do you think we're going to get our money back out of this? Are we going to make any money? Are we going to lose? This is a learning experience here for us. So this is our big order that we purchased here. We got a bunch of tins. This one has nothing in it, but some of these got some cards in them. We have 5 of these tins here. I don't know, do people buy these tins? Can we sell these separately? Not just the cards? I'll show them here in front of the camera. Hopefully you can see that. They all have different pictures on them. Pikachu. We also got a couple of boxes here that are full of cards. They're pretty heavy. I'm not going to show those right now. Maybe Eli will open them up in a minute and kind of show some of the cards in there, but we also have Team Rocket one here. We got a Send Us Heroes, a big card. We got another Pokemon trading card box. I don't even know what these ones are called. And then we got a whole box back here full of bulk. And then some of the higher end cards are in this Prismatic Evolutions box. So I'm going to go through and show some of the nicer cards we have here. We also have little EV box holder here with some more cards that are full arts in here. We got that, and there's a bunch of dice and different things. We got some mats that we're going to use here. We might have them in new videos. We might sell them. We're not sure what we're going to do with all these. We got some cases. And yeah, so let's jump right into some of the cards here. Calvin maybe can help me look at them, and Eli. These are some of the nicer cards that were in the purchase. We have a Mega Charizard X EX. I think this was the promotion one that came in this big blue box. It's still sealed. Let us know in the comments, what is this card going for? I know we should probably leave it sealed because it's probably worth more sealed. So that's that card right there. I'll let Kelvin hold that or look at that one. We also have a Pikachu EX XY124 promo. So there's this card here. Let us know in the comments, what do you think this card's going for, what we should list it for. I'll kind of show the back there too. It's a pretty cool card. It's got Jolteon and who's that other guy in the back there? Electabuzz. So yeah, Eli, if you want to say anything on that card while I get the next one.
It's a pretty expensive card. If it's near mint, like $700 to maybe even $1,000. I would say this one's moderately played or something about that.
Correct. I think that was if it was graded a PSA 10, it was that high. I don't know if they're actually going that high. Let us know in the comments. We've used TCGplayer, we've used Collector app. I know it's a Rare Candy app. There's a bunch of different apps. Which one do you get the most accurate pricing? Do you go directly to eBay and see what they've been going for? Yeah. Let's see here. You want to show some of these cards? Here's some more full arts.
Sure.
You can do the full arts and I'll do the other ones in the bottom.
We've got a Cannery full art. That one's pretty cool.
I can hold my arms longer so you can see it. We'll try to get the camera to zoom in on that. Again, let us know in the comments. Do you have this card? Do you like these cards? Are you collecting any of these? What would you sell them for?
We've got a Boss's Orders. Those ones are pretty good to have in a deck. Maybe not a full art one since you probably want to keep those to sell or just for PC. But if you find a normal one of those cards, it's always really good to have in your Pokemon deck. We've got a full art Yamper, 70 health there. Iono's Wattrel.
You got any favorites here, Calvin, so far?
That's my favorite.
You like the Mega Charizard EX? Your favorite? Yeah, that one's. It's got some texture to
My
it.
second favorite one is probably this one.
You like the full art Yamper?
Yeah.
Doesn't that guy have electric ability? You can shock.
I think so.
All right. Go ahead, Eli. Keep going.
Got Dracloak. Dugong.
Let us know in the comments. Are you collecting these cards? Do you have this card?
Pauldine Turos. It looks pretty cool because it's like with its big herd. We've sold, Kelvin sold another one.
You recognize that card?
Yeah, sold one of those. For
Yeah,
10 bucks.
You
He
sold
sold
that one
one
for
from-
$10?
For
Okay.
$10. Helolisk. Myatina.
Anybody sold that card before? First time I've seen that one. Nobody sold that one, right?
I don't think so.
How about in the comments? Anybody, you guys, have you ever sold this card or collected this card?
We've got a double blade. It's got all these like swords and weapons and stuff in the background. Oricorio.
I think you have that one or Theo have that one. This one here. Or Corio.
Theo.
Yeah, I've seen that one. It's a fun one with the fire spinning around.
Cinderace EX. Anhilnape. Got Mega Gengar, which I also have this card. I haven't sold it though. I have it in my PC. And then a Mega Charizard. Everyone's liking those Charizards these days. They're pretty cool.
Now, what's your favorite Charizard that you have in your collection? Let us know in the comments below. Now we're going to show some of the slab cards that we have. We got a 2021 Pokemon Celebrations M Rayquaza EX Classic Collection Roaring Skies Gem Mint number 10 here. Let us know if this is a card that you guys want to purchase. We can let you know when we're putting it up on our store. We're not sure if we're going to do eBay or TCGplayer. This is the back of it. This one's got some fun shimmer to it, and it's got the Pikachu little stamp down there in the corner.
It's the Celebrations.
The Celebrations. And then we also have 2019 PM Japan Sun and Moon FA Reds Challenge Double Blaze, mint number 9 of Ash Ketchum, it looks like. This one's got a gold back on it.
It does?
Or whatever you call it.
That's just on the Japanese cards.
The Japanese cards. See, the kids are teaching me. I don't even know all the stuff what it means. I guess it's not gold. It's a different colored background. You got the blue, and this one's more of like a, I don't know if it's like an off yellow, kind of a tannish brown border versus the blue.
But the tannish one isn't fake. It's just because it's Japanese.
Yeah, anything else? Oh, you want to show the big card we got here?
Mega Zygarde EX.
All right.
Promo.
Yeah, so we'll probably shoot another video, show some more here, so this one doesn't get too long, but we'll show just real quick couple things
We've
we have
also
here.
got this. If you know what these are or what they're for, tell us down below in the comments.
Yeah, first time I've seen those. Then I'll open up here the EV little case here. It's kind of cool. I know my daughter already says, "Can I keep that?" I said, "We'll see." So there's already a few things that they want to keep for their personal collection, but I have to remind them again, we bought this and we're trying to sell it. So we got a Furret here, full art. Voltorb EX. I'm not sure how you say that one. Larry's Dundon Sparse EX. Let me know. Did I say that right? I don't know. Team Rocket's Mimikyu. And I'll probably shoot another video and we'll show us up close up because it's kind of hard to see these probably from back here. We got a Mega Starmie EX. That one's fun. I like the full color that kind of pops on that one. What do you guys think? You like that one?
Yeah.
A Tyrant.
I like that one.
You like that one? Little dinosaur. A Spewpa.
Buda, I think.
Yeah, I'm not sure how you say that one either. A Dustox. Kind of go through these faster, see if I see any ones that really stand out. Like I said, we'll shoot another video that you can see kind of the top view of these cards, and we'll go through them. Maybe I'll edit it and put it in the bottom of this video.
Wait, that one's cool. It's a Teal Mask Ogerpon.
You want to see it?
That's a really neat card. I like how it's
Oh, yeah, I like that one.
standing in like a prairie or something like
Yeah,
that.
that is a cool one. We got a Probus. It's like in the town square with all the people. A couple more trainers.
Full art trainers.
Yeah. Oh, another Tyrant. We got 2 of those, I guess. That'll be going up.
Yeah.
Gorgeist EX. Crocodile EX. Mega Galad EX. Cinco EX. Some more Emma trainer. Charmeleon.
Well, that's a cool. Wait, is that a Oh yeah, it's a promo one. See, down there you can see the promo. Means it comes in the front of a pack.
We got an energy retrieval. Oh hey, that's a fun one. Froakie.
Yeah, I like that one.
Froakie, full art little frog guy there. And Amphasaurus, full art. Mega Drago EX. Some of these are tongue twisters trying to say them. Like Xerneas. Alright. I'm gonna stop there. We got a Beedrill and some other ones here we'll show. But we'll have to do like a top view kind of maybe on that one. So yeah. If you like this, like these type of videos, want to follow our journey, see how we're doing. We're going to do weekly updates on how our sales are going, if we're making money, if we're losing money, what kind of cards we're selling. Shout out to our orders, people that are buying them. We appreciate you. And yeah, the boys are having a lot of fun seeing cards and seeing new cards that they don't have, and also selling some cards that they have. They're trying to make a little money so they can grow their own personal collection and then have a little money for savings too. So
Subscribe.
subscribe below, like below. Let us know what we should shoot on our next video or something that you want to hear us talk about. All right. Peace out. You do peace?
Hey friends.
Oh, not that.
Hey friends. Ozzy Osbourne. Hey friends. Hey friends. Hey friends.